Let's make our Mariposa. To begin, you are going to hold your paper horizontal, so from left to right. Then you're going to fold it in half by matching up corner to corner and giving your paper a great crisp crease. You're going to want to make sure that crease is on the left-hand side of your paper. It's going to look like the spine of a book, so it's going to be the closed side on the left. Now take your oil pastel and measure 3 fingers down from the top and create a dot. We're going to make the top portion of the Mariposa's body by creating a diamond, followed by the bottom portion by making an arc. Then we're going to make the wings by making 2 big curved lines that take up the rest of the side of the paper. Along the edge of the Mariposa's wings, we're going to make some curvy or arced lines that are going to outline the edge of the top of the wing and then turning and going along the bottom of the wing. Notice how my lines are all different sizes and shapes, and they're made of organic curvy lines. Now we're going to divide up the bottom of the wing with 2 curved lines, and we're going to do the same in the top from the 2 curved lines. Notice where those lines began, right in the center. Each of those sections now we're going to further break up into segments. You're going to use horizontal, vertical, or diagonal lines. Notice how my lines are not very close together because we're going to need to paint in between each of those sections. So it's going to be important that you keep them on the larger side. So notice how there's only about 4 or 5 different shapes inside each of those sections now. You can also make an antenna with 2 vertical lines and a circle attached to the top. Now we're going to make magic happen. So we're going to open up our paper and notice that that crease is now pointing up like a mountain. We're going to now fold our paper in half along that crease so that the oil pastel is now closed inside of our book. So our drawing part is going to be inside the paper. The oil pastel is going to be touching the back side of the paper. Now you're going to take your popsicle stick and you are going to begin transferring your drawing by rubbing all over your Mariposa from the back. Make sure that you press hard and you rub over the entire thing because this is where the transfer is going to happen. When you open up your Mariposa, you're going to see that it left an imprint or a transfer onto the other side. Now you're going to take your oil pastel and you are going to outline over that entire drawing. Notice that you have now made a symmetrical drawing. So your left side is going to be a mirror image of the right side. Take your time, outline all of those different sections. If you notice that you can't quite see some of the marks, simply close your paper again, take your popsicle stick, and do that rubbing again to make the transfer appear on the other side, and this will help you out. You're going to continue until you have all of your lines transferred over and outlined with your oil pastel.